Good morning, students. The aim of our today's practical is determination of the acute irritation of a test substance by skin irritation test. This test work on the principle of skin irritation toxicity, that is erythema and edema formation. Erythema is the formation of red spots on the skin and edema is the swelling. Now first of all we see the instructions. In this experiment 12 rabbits are taken and divided into two groups. One is the test group and other is the control group. In the test group you have to take the 6 rabbits and in the control group also we have to take the 6 rabbits. Then a known amount of the test substance is introduced under a 1 square inch patch. Now this patch is then applied to the skin of 6 albino rabbits of the test group and it is also applied to the skin of the 6 albino rabbits of the control group. Now this patch is fixed in place with the adhesive tape and the entire trunk of the animal is wrapped with the impervious material for a 24-hour period. We have to look the animal for the 24-hour period and after 24 hours the patches are removed and the resulting reaction is evaluated for erythema and edema formation and the response is categorized based on the mild, moderate or severe or no reaction. We can categorize into the following categories, like if there is no erythema or the edema is seen, then the substance is considered as non-toxic. Similarly, if there is well-defined erythema and slight edema, then it is considered as mild toxic. And if there is moderate to severe erythema and moderate edema, then the substance is considered as moderate toxic. And if there is severe reaction, that is severe edema and injuries in depth, and there is also severe edema, then the substance is considered as the severe toxic. So now we will start the experiment. Here you can see there are two different groups, control group and the test group, and the animals are divided into these two groups. Now we will apply the patch first to the control group and then to the test group. Now this patch is being applied firstly to the control group animals and now this patch is being applied to the animals of the test group. Now both the groups are inspected after 1 day. Now in the control group we can see that there is no reaction, whereas in the test group there are red spots developed on the skin. Now these groups are inspected after 3 days. After 3 days we can see that in the control group there is no reaction, but in the test group this reaction has been increased. Now we go to the result table. This is how the results are presented of day 1 and day 3. In the control group on day 1 and day 3 both there is no reaction, so the substance is considered as non-toxic, and because there was no test substance applied in this group. And in the test group, based on the mild, moderate or severe reaction, if there is reaction seen, then the substance is considered as toxic. So in the conclusion, in the test group the sample shown higher irritation reaction as compared to the control group, so it can be concluded that the sample is toxic.